I've said it before, and I'll say it again. I love the fact that as a toy collector, you sometimes discover things that you never knew existed before. This is a Ban Dai Cobi Jones official MLS action figure and trading card with an upper deck trading card. You can see it was originally $6.99, marked down for $2.50 at KB Toys. I got it for $5 at a Peddler's Mart in Lexington, Kentucky. And Cobi Jones was a soccer player. You can see from his jersey, he played for the LA Galaxy, kind of when MLS started. But he's most notable for the U.S. national team. And I remember when during the World Cup, I guess it would have been, I don't know, it would have been 94? That sounds about right. And, there was a lot of buzz around it, right? I mean, obviously soccer's not hugely popular in America, and it definitely wasn't as popular then as it is now. But Cobi Jones was cool, mainly because of his hair. You can see, right there, you see on the card, he had these cool dreads going on that he would bleach blonde. So he was kind of, out of anybody, the one that people knew, and probably the one I knew at the time and still know. And I remember going into Ameristop on US 42 in Union, Kentucky. Used to be across from Ryle High School. And going there, just get an icy or a snack or something. My grandma and my friend. And they had the U.S. National Team World Cup soccer cards, like trading cards, which I'd never seen soccer cards before. Only, obviously baseball and football and basketball. So we grabbed a few packs. My grandma bought them for us, and we were, trying to find the Cobi Jones card. I don't remember if I actually found one, but I have one here now, and I'm going to open this up. So, kind of interesting, made by Ban Dai. They, you think this would be, Kinner's starting lineup, but I guess MLS. I don't know. They went with Ban Dai. They made some of the kind of Japanese style cartoon shows or live action shows. I've mentioned before, I always like when there's a weird thing like that to kind of hold him in. Because again, somebody had to design that and mold that and approve that. Just kind of funny. So the Cobi Jones Upper Deck trading card. He was 26 at the time, 5'7", same height as me. 145 pounds. I used to weigh that. Plays for the Galaxy. And yeah, he was a pretty good player from what I recall and from what that trading card says. Let's bust him out of this. This has been in a prison for a number of years. 21 years. You can see there's some other cool guys. I don't know that guy's name, but he has some cool hair too. He was like the other guy that had cool hair. Him and Cobi Jones. Some keychains and a 4-inch soccer ball. It's kind of a small ball. So he is causing me a little bit of trouble. I don't want to break him. This is very fragile. It seems well made. What's interesting, you see there, the instructions are actually taped to the bottom of the figure along with the peg that I assume holds something together. Some industrial strength tape. So it's kind of cool. He's got the nameplate on there. He's looking pretty mean, and it looks nothing like Cobi Jones. I mean, if you want to compare the two, pretty terrible sculpt. But yeah, it's kind of a weird figure, but weird in a way that I like. So his waist moves, his legs don't move. Let's check out what these instructions say in case we can't figure out exactly how to do this guy here. So it says, to balance the figure, place the post into the bottom of the right foot and into hole in base. So Cobi Jones goes like that. Carlos Valderrama goes like that. Why would we need instructions for that? I don't understand. So, so he pops out of there. I'm afraid he's gonna break. Plastic gets rather brittle. So the peg is like, it has a peg on one side and then just kind of rests. I guess his foot rests on the other side. So that goes in there, kind of a hexagon shape. Okay. I guess his foot kind of rests on there. It's kind of weird, but that's what that is. That is a Cobi Jones Ban Dai 4-inch collectible action figure, official MLS licensed product. And you can see too here on the card, looks very different than the finished figure. He's kind of kicking it to the side there. And there he's kicking it straight on. So anyway, this was kind of a weird one. Brought back a little bit of memories from that one time I went to Ameristop and bought some cards. I mean, that's not the most spectacular memory, but it's a memory nonetheless. So thanks for watching. This was Cobi Jones, 1996 MLS action figure by Ban Dai.